Understanding straight up in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases and idioms. Specifically, we're going to unpack the meaning behind the phrase, straight up. Whether you've heard it in movies, songs, or in a conversation, you might have wondered what it means. It's a phrase that pops up quite often and can be confusing for English learners. So let's get straight to it, pun intended. Let's start with the basics. Literally, straight up refers to something that is positioned vertically or upright. But when you hear this phrase in everyday conversation, it's rarely about direction. So, what does it mean when people say it? That's what we're here to find out. In slang, straight up can mean several things. It can be used to ask someone to speak honestly, like saying, "Are you straight up with me?" It's also used to affirm the truthfulness of a statement. For example, "I'm telling you, it's straight up the best movie I've seen." Here, it's synonymous with honestly or for real. The phrase is versatile. In questions like, "You're straight up going to quit your job?" it expresses a mix of surprise and seeking confirmation. In statements, "He's straight up crazy," it emphasizes the speaker's opinion without doubt or hesitation. Sometimes, straight up is used just for emphasis. Think of it as adding an exclamation point at the end of a sentence. When someone says, "That's straight up amazing," they're really stressing how amazing they think something is. It's like underlining a word in a sentence because you really want the person to notice it. You might also hear straight up in songs or movies. It has been popularized by various artists and movies over the years, which keeps it alive in everyday language. In pop culture, it often retains the same meanings we've discussed, either to question the truth or confirm it emphatically. Now, let's put our knowledge into practice. Try using straight up in different contexts. You can practice by writing sentences or using it in conversation. Remember, the best way to learn a phrase is to use it. And that's a wrap on the phrase, straight up. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using straight up like a native speaker. Straight up. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.